Are you tired of your field service business feeling like a logistical nightmare? Do your technicians spend more time stuck in traffic or driving between jobs than actually, doing the job? If you're nodding your head, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a game changer for any mobile service business: route optimization within Jobber. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Think about it. Every minute your technicians spend driving unnecessarily is a minute they're not earning revenue. It's fuel wasted, vehicle wear and tear increased, and most importantly, customer satisfaction potentially jeopardized by late arrivals. We've all been there, waiting for a service technician, only to have them show up hours late because they were navigating a chaotic, unplanned route. It's frustrating for everyone involved. For years, route planning was a manual, often haphazard process. You'd pull out a map, maybe use some rudimentary online tools, and try to piece together a sensible sequence of stops. But what if you have 10, 20, or even 50 jobs in a day? What if traffic patterns shift unexpectedly? What if a client cancels last minute, or an emergency job pops up? The old ways simply don't cut it in today's fast-paced world. This is precisely where Jobber's route optimization steps in. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about finding the most efficient sequence of points, considering factors like travel time, job duration, and even traffic. It's about transforming your dispatching from a headache into a finely tuned, strategic advantage. It empowers you to do more jobs in less time, save money on fuel, and ultimately, provide a superior customer experience by arriving on time, every time. So, how do you unlock this power within Jobber? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Get your jobs in order and in Jobber. The foundation of any good route optimization is accurate data. Before you can optimize, you need to ensure all your jobs are properly entered into Jobber with correct addresses and estimated durations. When you schedule a job, make sure you're adding the client's full address. Jobber uses this information to plot the job on a map. If you're a newer Jobber user, take the time to go back and verify your existing client addresses. A little upfront work here saves a lot of headaches later. Also, be realistic with your job durations. Overestimating or underestimating can throw off your entire route. Step 2. Assign jobs to your team. Once your jobs are in Jobber, you need to assign them to your team members. Jobber's route optimization works best when you're assigning jobs to specific technicians. This allows the system to build routes for individual team members, taking into account their starting locations and the jobs they're responsible for. You can easily do this from the schedule or job details page. Drag and drop jobs onto your team members' calendars, or select them from a drop-down menu. Step 3. Head to the Route Optimization tool. Now for the magic. Navigate to your Schedule tab in Jobber. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option for Routes. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the Route Optimization interface. This is where you'll see a map populated with your scheduled jobs and team members. Step 4. Select your team members and date. At the top of the Route Optimization screen, you'll see filters for team members and dates. Select the specific team member or multiple team members whose routes you want to optimize. Then, choose the date for which you're planning the routes. This is crucial as route optimization is done on a daily basis. Step 5. Drag and drop unscheduled jobs, if any. If you have any unscheduled jobs that need to be added to a route, you can drag and drop them from the unscheduled list directly onto the map or onto a specific team member's route on the left-hand panel. This is incredibly useful for last-minute bookings or jobs that weren't assigned during the initial scheduling. Step 6. Click Optimize Route. This is the moment of truth. Once you've selected your team members and the date, and ensured all relevant jobs are assigned, click the Optimize Route button. Jobber's powerful algorithms will then analyze all the stops, calculate the most efficient sequence, and display the optimized route on the map. You'll see the numerical order of stops clearly indicated and the estimated travel time between each. Step 7. Review and adjust, if necessary. While Jobber's optimization is incredibly smart, sometimes you might need to make minor adjustments. Perhaps there's a specific client you always visit first, or a road closure you know about that job or doesn't. You can manually reorder stops by dragging and dropping them within the optimized route list. Jobber will instantly recalculate the new travel times. This flexibility is key. It gives you the power of automation with the control of human oversight. Step 8. Publish and share with your team. Once you're happy with the optimized routes, click Publish. This will push the optimized routes to your team members' Jobber mobile apps. They'll then have the precise, turn-by-turn directions right at their fingertips, eliminating guesswork and ensuring they follow the most efficient path. They'll see the order of jobs, the estimated travel times, and all the necessary job details. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.